Addressing racial disparities in the criminal justice system. Introduction. The criminal justice system is designed to ensure fairness and equal treatment for all individuals. However, persistent racial disparities within the system raise concerns about systemic discrimination and unequal access to justice. In this video, we will explore the issue of racial disparities in the criminal justice system, examining the root causes and proposing potential reforms to address this pressing concern. Understanding the scope of racial disparities. The first step in addressing racial disparities is to understand their scope and impact. By examining data, statistics, and research, we can identify the disproportionate representation of racial and ethnic minorities at various stages of the criminal justice system. This includes disparities in arrests, prosecutions, sentencing, and incarceration rates. Presenting this information will help raise awareness and highlight the urgent need for reform. 2. Identifying root causes. To effectively address racial disparities, it is crucial to identify the root causes behind these inequities. Factors such as biased policing, racial profiling, socioeconomic disparities, and discriminatory sentencing practices contribute to the overrepresentation of racial minorities in the criminal justice system. Analyzing these causes can inform targeted interventions and reforms. 3. Proposed reforms. A. Police reform. Implementing comprehensive police reform measures is essential for reducing racial disparities. This includes policies that promote unbiased policing, prohibit racial profiling, and enhance accountability through mechanisms such as body cameras and civilian oversight. Additionally, investing in community policing initiatives and building trust between law enforcement and marginalized communities can help foster positive relationships. B. Sentencing reform. Addressing discriminatory sentencing practices is crucial in reducing racial disparities. This involves revisiting mandatory minimum sentences, which disproportionately affect minority communities, and promoting evidence-based sentencing approaches. Emphasizing rehabilitation and diversion programs instead of solely relying on incarceration can lead to fairer outcomes. C. Access to legal representation. Ensuring equitable access to legal representation is vital for addressing racial disparities. Many individuals from marginalized communities face barriers in obtaining quality legal counsel, which can significantly impact the outcome of their cases. Increasing funding for public defenders, expanding legal aid services, and implementing policies to address implicit biases in the courtroom can help level the playing field. Conclusion. Addressing racial disparities in the criminal justice system requires a multifaceted approach that encompasses police reform, sentencing reform, and improving access to legal representation. By understanding the scope of disparities, identifying root causes, and advocating for targeted reforms, we can work towards a more equitable and just criminal justice system that upholds the principles of fairness and equal treatment for all individuals. Thanks for watching.